right, so let's take the test. And when you start the test, you notice we got 10 questions. And anytime you get a picture, you can click on it to enlarge it. And you'll also notice we have some helpful hints. These helpful hints are to the same videos and PowerPoints that you had as the lessons prior to this test. The goal is that you actually take the test with the notes, either on paper or go back and watch the videos again while you're taking the test. The whole purpose is that you're studying the notes. You're using the test question to study the notes. Now, you'll probably also realize that most of the notes don't have the exact answer. You actually got to use the concepts in the notes to problem solve the question. So let's answer the questions. And we get to the end of the test, and you notice I didn't do so hot. I got 20%, right? 2 out of 10. So let's review the questions we missed. At the bottom of the review, you'll notice we have these helpful hints. These hints is an extra piece of tool to problem solve that exact question. And when we're done with the review, click Finish. And notice we didn't pass the test, so there is no check mark. We got to retake it. Prior to retaking it, though, it makes us do some interventions. In this case, we got 2 of them, and they got 5 questions. So we take it, and it's got a vocabulary word and a definition. And I passed. Excellent. So I got another intervention. Right, intervention 2 of 2, 5 questions. But notice I didn't pass this intervention. That's a problem. So in order to move forward, you have to pass an intervention. So we click Next, and we get the exact same intervention again, except for different questions. So let's pass it this time. And we passed the intervention. We can go home, or we can start the test right now. So let's take a look at home. And you notice over here, we now have some test data, right? One of my tests, I got an A. One of them I have not passed yet. And one's missing. So what do I mean? So we go over here to Analysis, and we look at our test scores. Notice one of the tests we have passed, the protein synthesis test. One of them we just took, but we didn't pass. And one of them we haven't even taken yet. And that's the exact same thing you see over here. So you notice protein synthesis, we have a check mark because we passed it. Homeostasis, we haven't even taken it. So we click on it, we haven't even taken the test yet. And then we just tried to do the systems interaction, but we didn't pass. So we can come back and we can take it again.